Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Clarity session filters for UX Insights, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Microsoft Clarity session filters for UX Insights, start by logging into your Microsoft Clarity account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your project data is displayed. Locate the session recording section, which is typically found on the left sidebar. Click on the Session Recordings tab to view all recorded user sessions. To apply filters for a more specific analysis, look for the filter icon or the filter drop-down menu on the recordings page. Here, you will find several filter options to refine your search. Start by selecting the date range for the sessions you want to analyze. This will help you focus on a specific time frame of user interactions. Next, choose the device type filter if you wish to analyze sessions from particular devices, such as mobile, tablet, or desktop. Utilize the browser filter to see how users interact with your website across different browsers. You can also filter by country to understand regional user behavior. If you're interested in sessions that resulted in specific events, select the Events filter to see recordings of particular user interactions. Use the search bar to find sessions containing specific keywords or actions. Once you've set your desired filters, click the Apply button to refresh the session list. The page will now display only the sessions that match your criteria. Select any recording to view detailed insights on user interactions. Take note of recurring behaviors or issues as you analyze the sessions. Utilize the Heat Maps section in conjunction with session filters for a comprehensive overview. Heat maps can reveal areas of high engagement or confusion, providing additional context to your recordings. After analyzing your filtered sessions, consider documenting your findings for further discussions. Regularly revisiting and adjusting these filters can lead to deeper insights over time. This approach will help optimize your website's user experience by addressing pain points effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.